So guys, so welcome back again sa ating video ngayon is pag-uusapan natin yung Zoom desktop application. Ito si Zoom desktop application nga pala guys is, ayan, so as you can see nakikita dyan guys is nakaano yan, updated na bali yung kanyang team chat. So ipapata ko sa inyo, updated na yung team chat ni Zoom. Ayan, so mag-join lang tayo sa meeting. Ayan, so guys, so access natin sa team chat. Sorry, sa itong chat pala. Ayan, so as you can see guys is nakaganyan na yan. So dati, itong nandiyan sa everyone, so dito yan, pwede kayo mag-new chat, dyan, start kayo new chat, may name, pwede si host. Ayan, si host yung sender yun ng chat, or pwede din yung everyone, so yan. Ayan. So, bali updated na, naka-rounded corners na si Zoom. Ayan. Oo, naka-rounded corners si Zoom. Then, dito naman sa reaction natin, yan, yung reaction natin. Yan, pwede kayo mag-heart. Yan, meron na animations, yung go to reaction. Yan, may mga effects na siya. So, sa baba, yung din, may mga effects na siya. Then, meron ng animation, yung mga reacts nyo. So, yun lang guys, and I hope to learn more about our beautiful game. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yun lang guys, and thanks for watching.